Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my SlideMotion review. World's #1 super trending and high converting to create and sell slide animation templates without install and download files. SlideMotion, a miraculous collection of high converting slide animation templates with unrestricted PLR to sell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Brand new 2023 100% unique, never released before. Limited unrestricted PLR opportunity. You can even sell the private label rights to this package to your customers without download and install files. Get SlideMotion for just a one-time payment. Get instant access now. You enjoy best services, such as done-for-you templates and popular niches. Create unlimited high-quality animated presentations. Editable/customizable as easy, just click and replace. Multipurpose, work for all niche. Keep 100% profit from your pocket. Slap your name on it and claim it as your own. Keep all the leads you generate effortlessly. Build buyers list with hot presentation designs. No need to download and install. Embed images inside your slide. Step-by-step tutorial. Ideas and creativity that make 100% profit. Get high-quality animated slides covering top-selling niches. Be among the first to sell these packages, earning 100% profit. These slides can boost your presentation design skills. The key to online success is selling a trendy, efficient, and high-demand product that people are eager to obtain. But the problem here is, to sell a fully fledged digital product as your own, you need to create it yourself, and unfortunately, product creation is a tough road to hoe because option number 1, you don't have the skills and time to create digital products yourself. Mastering animation with complex software like Photoshop, PowerPoint, or Keynote can frustrate customers due to downloads and installs. Option number 2, you don't have an outrageous of money to outsource it. Outsourcing can cost $1,000 plus for quality slide animation templates from expert designers known for conversion success. So this is the best solution for you. The fastest and new revolutionary slide animation templates to dominate in this niche. Investing in high-quality unrestricted private label rights slide animation templates to help your business. SlideMotion is 100% made by our best designer with Canva free account. Build attention-getting animated presentation and ready to sell in 3 easy steps. Step 1, choose. You can choose one from SlideMotion high-quality animated presentation templates. Step 2, customize. Modify templates easily without download and install anything. You can copy-paste your script inside the template your needs. Step 3, save and share. Save or share your interactive presentations easily and get 100% cash profit on your pocket. SlideMotion, the first-to-market technology that allows you create interactive presentation that you can sell without download and install anything. Yes, I want access to SlideMotion now. 500 plus DFY fresh Canva slide animation templates. Unlimited access and no monthly recurring fees. No download files, all elements are included. Unrestricted PLR license included to sell them. No special skills or experience required. Unlimited export with no limit. Video, images and music background included. Support on any device, Mac, Windows, or smartphone. All templates are different niche, not different sizes. Normally, $30 per month or $297 per year. Early bird discount for just $17 one time. If the video is well written and informative, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Special offer only today. You'll get special price and flexible licenses that you can choose according to what you want to. Okay, we know you're anxious to get SlideMotion with all of its incredible templates. We want to up the ante and over-deliver a bit more, okay? That is why we will provide 2 option licenses that you can choose from. We never gives this option to the public, but we will open it up for you if you move quickly and get SlideMotion now. Get your hands on these amazing slide animations that will make your life as a marketer so much easier. It's time to act smart and leverage SlideMotion for online businesses. Order this no-brainer deal now by clicking the button below before we remove this offer forever. Personal license, unrestricted PLR license. We're only offering this low price for a limited time launch period. If you know us, and if you've seen our previous launches, then you know we're true to our word. Once the launch is over, this special offer will disappear, and you'll have to pay at least double the price you're getting in for today. If the video is well written and informative, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay friends, following description and buy this product. Thanks.